Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear viewers, Insha'Allahul Kareem, in this video you are going to learn the Holy Quran, Para 1, Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayat number 127 and 128 with the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذ يرفع إبراهيم القواعد من البيت وإسماعيل ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم. Look at the word وَإِذْ يَرْفَعُ. Pronounce dhal without whistle sound. Ibrahimul qawa'ida. Do qalqala in ba. Minal bayti. Wa Ismail. Stretch khada zabar on mim and stretch madde aris. Madde aris is done when a temporary sukoon comes after any madda letter. Temporary sukoon means when a letter becomes sakin because of waqf. In this word, lam is sakin because of waqf, and this temporary sukoon is coming after ya madda, so it is madde aris. You have to stretch up to 5 harkat. Rabbana. Pronounce ba with emphasis because ba is a qalqala letter and this is mushaddad in this word. Taqabbal minna. Do gunna in noon mushaddad. Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. Innaka. Do gunna again in noon mushaddad. Anta Sami'ul Alim. You can see ta after noon sakin. Ta is an ikhfa letter and it is coming after noon sakin. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done in noon sakin. And you have to stretch madde aris at the end of this word. Next ayat. ربنا واجعلنا مسلمين لك ومن ذريتنا أمة مسلمة لك وأرنا مناسكنا وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم. Look at the word Rabbana. Pronounce ba with emphasis because ba is a qalqala letter and it is mushaddad. Waj'alna. Do qalqala in jim. Qalqala means to rebounce the sound, to return the voice. Muslimaini laka wa min dhurriyyatina. There is zal after noon sakin. Zal is an ikhfa letter. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done in noon sakin. And you can see Hamza after Alif Madda in the next word. Hamza after Alif Madda in the next word. So it is Madde Munfasil. You have to stretch up to 5 harkat. Ummatam Muslimatal Laka. Do gunna in Mim Mushaddad because Mim Mushaddad and Noon Mushaddad are always pronounced with gunna. And you can see Mim after Tanween, after 2 Zabar. Mim is a yarmalun letter. The rule idgham will be done and gunna will be done in tanween. Wa arina. Stretch alif madda. Manasikana. Stretch alif madda again. Wa tub alayna. Do kalkala in ba. Innaka. Do gunna in noon mushaddad. Antat tawwabur rahim. There is ta after noon sakin. Ta is an ikhfa letter. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done in noon sakin. And stretch madde aris at the end of this word. Inshallah al Kareem, in the next video you will learn next ayat of Surah Al-Baqarah.